Are you being investigated or have you been charged with a crime in Oklahoma? Hi, I'm Oklahoma City Attorney Aaron Easton. And if so, you already know there are many, many important considerations, a lot of things going through your mind. It's a scary time, frankly. But I want to talk about one of the important considerations specifically that a lot of people either don't know or it's not on the front of their mind because of what they're going through. And that's whether or not the crime you're being charged with falls under Title 57, Section 571 of the Oklahoma Statutes, which a lot of people refer to as the violent crimes section of crimes. So the reason this is important is because if you are ultimately convicted of a crime in Oklahoma, there is a standardized way in which the Department of Corrections calculates the time you serve in order to determine when you can get out of prison. So in general, you're allowed to get what's called 60 credits for every 30 days served in DOC, which means, for good time served and other considerations, you can get out essentially in half the time that you were charged with, or you're eligible for parole in half that time. However, if your crime falls under Title 57, Section 571 of the Oklahoma Statutes, you can at most get 44 credits a month instead of 60. And that's important. It's going to make a significant difference on when you can get off of your Department of Corrections sentence, whether you can get out of prison, frankly. And what's important about this, another thing that's important about this to know, is that there are many, many crimes that fall under the statute. I'm not even going to try to go through all these and read them. There are several dozen crimes here, including types of, violent crimes such as assault and murder, shooting with intent, those kind of things, but also burglary, which you might not think would fall under the violent crime section. A lot of the child abuse crimes fall under there, on and on and on. So what's important is an attorney is going to know what falls under that statute, what doesn't, and so in the process of considering your case, that's going to be something that's on their mind. So if you have been charged with a crime, if you've been investigated for a crime, you probably don't know whether or not it falls under that statute, and you're going to want to talk to an attorney about the specifics of your case. And to speak to somebody with my firm, you can reach us online at Oklahoma City Criminal Defense Attorney Top.pro or by phone at 405-888-5400.